Hi guys, today's video is going to be my January Lumi box. I have already done the majority of my makeup and I am pretty excited. I am just going to get straight into it. I'm going to try and go in order of the card just because I feel like that's the easiest way to do it. So the item that I picked, this is the premium box as well, so yeah. There was 3 options of items for the premium box. There was 2 palettes and a mask. So I picked the only skincare item. This is the Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream and it retails for $150. So super expensive. Part of the reason that I bought it was because of the price and I was very interested. Also, this brand is cruelty-free, vegan, and this is also gluten-free if you were interested. I'm super excited to try a $150 cream on my face, considering I paid $99 for this box and this item is already way more expensive than that. I'm really excited to give this a go. Basically, it's just a night cream and it's meant to regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, transforming facial skin texture to appear radiant and more youthful looking, which is always a bonus. I'm pretty excited to give that a go. I haven't tried it yet, unfortunately, but I will let you know how I go with it and let you know if it's worth $150. We'll see. The next item I am super excited about because you can never have enough of these in my opinion. It is this gorgeous Luxie Eyeconic Eye Set valued at $63. So obviously today I will be doing my makeup with these brushes while doing my eye makeup. Oh, I'm so excited. They look absolutely stunning. Let me just get them out for you. Oh, they're beautiful. They feel so soft. They're so lovely. So I'm super excited to use these brushes with the next product on my list, which is the Morphe collaboration with Manny. I'm not quite sure how to say it, but anyway, this is valued at $30. Look at these colors. So obviously you get 2 highlighters as well right here, but the rest of these are all eyeshadows. So I am super excited for this. I haven't highlighted my face, so I'm actually just gonna chuck highlighter on first. I actually am super impressed. It comes with a mirror too, which is awesome. But I was actually thinking of purchasing this palette, so I'm so glad that I got it. It's absolutely gorgeous, just like a beautiful palette. First of all, I'm gonna take this highlighting brush. It's from Mecca Cosmetica, and I'm gonna go into this shade here called Nova, the lighter shade, and just pop this on my cheeks. I feel like it's very natural. Ooh, but it's nice though. It's a really subtle glow. I really like that. I'm just popping it on my brow bone as well and just above my brow at that high point there. It's just lovely and natural. I almost want to put this one on, but I feel like it might be too deep for me. We'll leave it at that today. Stunning, look at that glow. So now I'm gonna take my Luxie Eyeconic Set and I think I'm just gonna use these today. So I'm gonna start by using this brush. It is called the Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush. So I'm just popping into this shade here, Sophie, and I'm gonna take this through my crease and over my lid, and also as usual under my lower lash line. So now that we've done that, I'm gonna go into, what am I gonna do? I kind of want to do a normal look, but I'm also like, I really am enjoying these 3 colors. So I'm kind of just like, do I want to do this bright pink, like a more natural look, not like a normal look, sorry. I'm actually going to use the same brush, so this tapered brush right here, the small tapered brush. And I think, to be honest with you, this was actually better, this brush, because it's quite small. Rather than doing my crease color, I think it's going to be better for like using it as my outer corner color. So I'm going to go into the shade here called Gamenta and just kind of dust this in here lightly and blend it around just to make it pop with pink. And I'm going to pop that slightly into my crease as well. I just want to give it a light wash of colour really with this pink. Okay, so now that we have done that, I'm gonna go into the shade Spellbound with this brush called the 209 large shader, so this one's spellbound, and I'm gonna very gently just pop that right here as well, but I'm just gonna kind of like slowly, softly blend it out. I don't want it to go too far, like as far as the pink shade did. I just want to use it to deepen it up the outer corners a little bit more. Now we have done that, I am going to take this little flat shader brush called the number 245, the small shader, and I'm going to go into this shade here called Cancer and pop this on my lid. So now I'm going to take, I think I'm going to go a bit darker in the outer corners. I'm going to take this big fat brush again, the large shader, and go into the shade How and just do what I did with the other shade and just pop it right here and blend it a little bit, but right in the outer corners. There we have that, and now I'm going to take this sort of pencil brush. It is called the 217 pencil. I think for my lower lash line, I'm just going to go into this shade again, How, and run it along my outer corners. Actually, I'm going to run it all the way across. But I'm going to focus it a bit more on the outer corner so it's a bit darker out there. And make sure it's slightly more like lighter on the inside. Ah. Every time. Every freaking time. I'm going to use the same brush and go into the Gamenta shade, Gamenta, and just kind of run that over it, just lightly, to sort of make it tone in a bit more with the top of my, twice, my lid. I feel like I should probably be using way more brushes, but I'm like, I just want to use the ones they gave me. And I'm going to take the last brush in the set, which is this square brush. It's called the Flat Definer, and I'm going to go into the shade Cancer again and just kind of pop this along my lower lash line, just in the inner part and to just about the middle. So there we have that. I'm actually going to take, I don't have any more brushes. As I have dirtied all of the brushes in the set, I'm just going to take a flat shaded brush and just go into this shade here called Nova, and this is going to be my inner corner colour, just because there's not really, like, there's this one that's light but it's matte, and I prefer like a glowy inner corner. So I'm going to go into one of the highlight shades, which, I mean, you're supposed to use them for both, I would assume. So there we have that. I want to dial it down a little bit because I just remembered I've got another red lip. So what are we going to pop on? I feel like I've made it so dark. It doesn't look like bad, but I feel like it's going to look like a lot. I just want to bring this highlighty shade. I'm just going to dab a little bit. I'm going to bring it up a bit higher, just across my lid where I put the deep purple shade. So I'm going to blend those two colors together really. Just make it a little bit lighter. There we go. And now I'm going to reblend and I'll be back. So there we have that. That is going to be my final look for this for now. I actually thoroughly enjoyed it, to be honest with you. I think it's stunning, and the brushes are gorgeous as well. They're really, really easy to use and also very good at blending, which is awesome because that's what you need them for. This palette is just absolutely stunning. I love these colors. It's so pigmented and just so gorgeous. Definitely worth it if you ask me. So now I'm going to go out of order just to confuse myself. So I've got this. It is a Morphe color pencil in the shade Pinken. And I know what you're thinking. That will be a lip pencil. And it actually says on here on my little thing that it's a lip pencil. And it retails for $4 if you were wondering. But on here it says it's a lip pencil, but I was looking it up on the website, the Morphe website. It's not on the Australian Morphe website, but it's on the European Morphe website. Like, this colour isn't available on the Australian website, and it actually says that it is a eye pencil, which is very interesting considering it is this like light pink shade. I think, call me crazy, I'm going to run it along my lower lash line. I'm going to pop black eyeliner on my upper lash line. Oh no, you know what? I'm just going to try. I'll see what happens. Let's run it along our lower lash line because it did say on the website that it was an eye pencil. I feel like you can change them, but we'll see. I think I'm just going to quickly chuck on some darker eyeliner just because this look is so dark. I feel like the light is just like, you can't really notice it. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so after all that, I think I went a bit too dark with my eyeliner, but anyway. So I'm actually going to put it on my lips just so you can see the shade of my lips as well. Oh god, that is light. This is definitely a colour that I'm probably never going to reach for unless I'm going for like a super bubblegum pink sort of thing, which is not my thing at all. I feel like I'm going to leave this with my eyeliners because it said on the website it was an eyeliner and I'm more likely to use it as that, I think, mainly to brighten up my waterline or something like that. If I'm using like a lighter look and I want my eyes to look super open, I think I'll use it more often for that than I would for this. This is so cool toned. I think my makeup is way too warm for this cooler lip. This cooler lip. This cooler lip. Anyway, you guys know what I mean, I hope. So that one is done. Next up, I'm gonna do the Gorgeous Cosmetics Glamalash Mascara. This retails for $32. Let's give this a go. Oh my gosh, it's got stars on it. Look at that. Bloody cute. I love it. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and let's do this. Okay, I am loving this mascara. I feel like my eyelashes have like doubled if not tripled in length in like 2 coats. That is absolutely insane. The mascara looks amazing and I love it, and I'm hoping it wears well because we all know I'm looking for a really good mascara and hopefully this is it. I definitely am very appreciative of how it has made my eyelashes look instantly, and it's not too like wet or anything, like it hasn't come off under or above. I think I did accidentally jab myself in the face with it, but not in my eye, fortunately. Anyway guys, I'm just gonna quickly chuck on some setting spray and I'll be back in a second. Okay, that is all done, and now for my final product, or at least the product that I have saved until last. It is the MAC Matte Lipstick in the shade 615 So Chaud. And I'm gonna hope, I'm not sure if it will look good, but I feel like anything at this point will look better than what is currently on my lips. I have actually never used a MAC lipstick before. Obviously they're a cult classic. Oh, I'm so excited. And obviously it is in this beautiful red color, which is still probably not gonna suit me, but I love it. I feel like the last 3 or even maybe 4, wait, how many Lumi boxes have I gotten now? Okay, I think in my last 3 Lumi boxes I have gotten a red lipstick, like my actual Lumi boxes, so I'm like hopefully the next one will be a nude because I hardly ever wear red. Anyway, let's give this a go. I was hoping it would be a bit redder than my last one because the last one that I had was so orange, but this one appears to be just the same amount of orange because it's like picking up in my camera the same, like neon. I'm also wondering if I should have removed the lip liner just because it was such a ridiculous color to put under this. Oh, if I didn't say before as well, this retails for $30. I think I did, but just in case I didn't say it. But anyway, so this is what we have now. It definitely looks better than the lip liner did, but I wouldn't say it's amazing. It's definitely not perfectly suited to this look. It's definitely like a very cool toned red, and I think I needed something more warm toned. I feel like both my lip products were super cool tones and I went for like a very warm toned look. I should have done something a bit more cool. But anyway, oh, I forgot as well, there's one more product. I haven't done them in the right order, like towards the end, so I've confused myself. But anyway, the last product is the Puzzle and Salt Bath Soak, and it retails for $14.95. It has pink Himalayan sea salt, dead sea salt, Epsom salt, dried lavender, dried rose petals, lavender essential oils, and rose geranium essential oil. So this should be lovely and relaxing the next time I have a bath, which rarely happens, but now I guess I'll have to. I'll let you guys know how I go with all the products that I didn't use, and I will keep you up to date on this mascara because I'm on the hunt for the perfect mascara. And this could be it. We'll see. But anyway, guys, I feel like I'm going to quickly chuck something just on top of this. I'll be back. Not gonna lie, I just took as much of it off as I could and put on a nudie lip gloss, but you can still see it peeking through, so you know, wear test approved. I just like legitimately rubbed it off with a tissue. I didn't take it off with like makeup remover or anything, but now you can see my pimple. Oh well. But anyway, guys, that brings us to the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I just realized I completely forgot to say the total value of the items in my box added up to $323.95, which is insane considering I only paid $99 for the box. So I definitely think it is worth it. Even if you don't use all the products, considering I'm hoping I love that night mask as well, that product alone is the value of the box, is more than the value of the box. So that to me makes it worth it, but also I'm really excited about a lot of the things that I got, so. Oh, also guys, my Lumi box details have changed, so my discount code is now valued at 10% and there's a new one. So that works for the first time that you subscribe to a box, be it the premium box or the regular box, you will get 10% off now. And the code is down below if you want to use it. If not, no stress, up to you guys. If you don't want to purchase it, I understand, but if you do, it's there if you want to get it slightly cheaper. So yeah, thank you for using it if you do. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about anything that I did or any of the products I used, let me know and I will get back to you as soon as possible, and hopefully I will see you soon. And if you would like, you can feel free to subscribe or like this video, and I would really appreciate that because that would be amazing. Thank you. It is the Grown it's cruelty-free cruelty-free. Oh, this brand is cruelty-free. Are you ready for this? Oops, plastic sheet. That's dirty now. It's just. Ooh. Lord, did I just go into the same shade? Oh, you know what? I've been tapping in 2 shades. I'm gonna use this shade, this brush as well. No, am I? Yeah. Okay. No. Ow! I just bit my lip. So that works for the first time that you purchase. So for that works for the. If you have any questions about anything I did or any of the videos, what am I?